Welcome back, everyone. You may be wanting to go ahead and actually add a link tree in your TikTok bio. Now, what Linktree is, it's very similar to a lot of other websites out there. They basically allow you to go ahead and have a lot of links within one link. So essentially, if you're trying to go ahead and advertise your YouTube channel, your Instagram page, your Twitter, whatever the thing you're trying to advertise, instead of utilizing just one thing up here or putting one link here, you can just have one link tree and that'll basically do it. So to do this, what we want to do is you want to go ahead and Google up Linktree. I would normally leave this in the description, but sometimes Google removes the links. So what you want to do here is you want to go ahead and type in, you can also type in this specific URL, linktr.ee like that, and you want to go ahead and make your way over to that specific page. Now, when you do that, what you want to do is you'll come into here. Now, creating a link tree and everything is free. I think there's some different plans, and there may be some other free alternatives out there to Linktree, so make sure you do your research there. But what you want to do here is you want to go and click Get Started. So once you go and click Get Started, it's probably going to make you log in or something. So you want to go ahead and log in with an account. And at that point, once you go ahead and log in, it'll basically allow you to go ahead and create your link tree. So what this does is it'll go ahead and allow you to go ahead and choose different links where you can go ahead and actually copy that specific link, paste it here, and then it'll go ahead and show a little block here, and you can go ahead and advertise really anything. Your YouTube channel, maybe some other brands, maybe some affiliate links you can go and throw there. And you can go and, like this mentions, link to everywhere, collect payments, easily manage, all this stuff. So as soon as you make your account, you can go and set that all up. Now, whenever you're ready, you'll basically be able to have a link just like this. So what you can do is you can go and create your Linktree username. So in this case, if it was whatever this was, right? You can go and create your username like this. You want to go and click there. Once you go and log in, you want to copy that link, and you want to make your way over to your TikTok bio. And then you want to make your way over to your TikTok, page like this. You want to go and click Edit Profile, which is right there. And right here where it says website, all you want to do is click on website, and you want to change this specific website link to that link tree that we just copied. So copy and paste that link tree link right there, and that's really all you have to do. At that point, you want to go and click Save, or in this case, it's not going to do anything. And then you're pretty much good to go. That link will now be a link tree link, and that's pretty much it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that means so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.